Good morning, everyone. How are you? Are you good, guys? Now, today, we will solve some questions from the workbook, page 84 and page 85. So, all of you, catch your workbook. Now, here, 17.2, the area of a parallelogram and trapezium. The areas of a parallelogram and trapezium. Now recall here this is the parallelogram. Each opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is the base and this is the height, so the area equals base times height. Now for trapezium, this is trapezium, just has one pair of parallel lines. Let's say this is A, the length of this side is A, the length of this side B, and this is the height. So here the area equals half times, add these two bases A plus B times the height, Now all of you open your workbook, page 84 and page 85. Now question 1, let's start with the question 1. Question 1, work out the area of each of these parallelograms. Now for the first one, you can see for A, this is parallelogram, so area equals base times height. So here the base is 20, the height is 8, 20 times 8, which is 160 millimeter squared. Remember to include the units in your answer, millimeter squared. Now B, the base is 3.4 and the height is 8.4. So the area equals base times height. So 3.4 times 8.4. Now here multiplying decimals. Now here you have to know that this is parallelogram, so the area is base times height. So here just here multiplying decimals, 3.4 times 8.4, which is 28.56. Here the unit is centimeter squared. So question 1, talking about parallelogram, how to find the area of parallelogram. Now for question 2, trapezium. The area equals half times A plus B times the height. Now remember, A and B, we are talking about these two parallel sides. Parallel, it means if you extend this side and this side, they will not intersect. This is the meaning of parallel. So here A and B, the length of the two parallel lines. So here half times, here A 3.4 plus B is 4.8. now the height is 2.6. First of all, you need to add the brackets, 3.4 plus 4.8, 3.4 plus 4.8, which is 8.2. This is 8.2 times half times 2.6. So multiplying decimals, 2.6, which is 10 equals 10.66. Now B, the same thing for B. This is a question 2. This is a question 2A. Now B, same idea. Now question 3. Here I'm gonna just discuss question 3 with you. Here are 4 shapes A, B, C, D. The area for A. This is rectangle, length times width. Okay, length times width. So for A, 5.9 times 4.2. Now question 3. A, which is rectangle, length times width. Here, which is 5.9 times 4.2, which is 24.78 centimeter squared. Now for B, it's a triangle, so half times base times height, which is half. Here the base is 10.3 times the height 3.2, which is 16.48 centimeter squared. Now for C, it's parallelogram, base times height. You have to know all of these rules, okay? So here the base is 5.3 times 3.9, which is 20.67 centimeter squared. Now for D, it's a trapezium. So find it. You can answer question 3. Now for question 4, a parallelogram has an area of 43.4. So the area of parallelogram is 43.4 centimeter squared. Now the perpendicular here, it has a perpendicular height. So here the height is 28 millimeter. What is the base? You need to find the base. Look, this is centimeter squared, this is millimeter squared. You can't work on the same on different units. So here convert this is millimeter to centimeter. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. So this is 28 millimeter divided by 10 equals 2.8 centimeter. Now the area equals base times height. So here the area is 43.4 centimeter squared. The base is unknown times the height. The height, substitute 2.8 centimeter. Now you need to divide both sides by 2.8. This is divided by 2.8. This is cancelled. Now here B equals 43.4 divided by 2.8. Say dividing decimals. Now 43.4 divided by 2.8 equals 15.5 centimeter. This is the base of the parallelogram. Now for question 5, the same idea. You have to follow the rule. Try question 5. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.